Welcome to another episode of Junior Kanye TV. I am Nhlanhla Sitshele. On my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On my right, I've got Michael Nkambule. We will be unpacking a game that had everybody talking. Guess what? Orlando Pirates is through to the final again. In less than 3 months, Orlando Pirates are going to be playing in the final. They are 4-time MTN champions. Who knows what can happen in the Carling Black Label as they will be playing against Marumo Gallants. Well, let me greet the guys that I'm with. But before that, remember to bet with the best, WBS, hashtag WBS, bet with the best. Those are our sponsors. Junior Gunjan.
Intlex kunjani mfethu?
Ngikrend wena?
Right.
Taroy.
Klexi.
Or ngithi Zizo.
Hayi kuyafana mbanzika.
All right.
Hayi sharp wona.
No, I'm in grand. Gents, let's just get straight into it because, baby is a team enkulu. And when you look at the records, Pirates has got the most sold out games this season so far. What does that say about Orlando Pirates before getting into the game?
Yeah, Nhlanhla, Pirates, except history. This season, Pirates, they've signed quality players. We talk about the starting 11. We talk about the bench depth. We talk about the team, the whole team. Well-assembled team. Best to check HL Abafana Laba. Still on their side. We talk about international players, not players for Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
Also, what he has done well. Mina obvious angavi that confidence, but if kumele ngibe neqiniso, if angithi angiyiboni into ayenzayo, I'll be lying. Has done well. Though I'm surprised ngisafuna ngiprove. Angifuni ukuvele ngimncome manje, but has done well. Well assembled team Nhlanhla, they playing entertaining football. Pirates last season you knew very well ukuthi bebadlala ngespeed. Barla it's most of sort of a counter attack. Nenye into it's one way. Even now Jose Rivera and relying almost individual talent, but now they play as a team, also relying on individual talents. Yeah.
And Roy, your take on that?
I
Pirates as a team so far this season.
think so far labantu babonisa ngalama sold out ukuthi they are the strongest team. Wonke umuntu like enjoy form yabo. So I think kule season bazobona abantu bazobona a different Orlando Pirates.
And let's talk about maybe the players that are bringing in the change now, because last season, certain players were not there, certain players are there now. And coach is not, like you're saying, he's not relying on a specific team. He's full of surprises when it comes to that. Players that have impressed you so far, go Pirates.
Yeah, give me mfethu.
Yes, when kunzima to impress you, but
No,
the names
Nyana, no,
that are so far bringing it on.
Pirates, I have to be honest, they are players among impressive. I mean, Lumfano Mbogas, how old is
19.
We're talking about the first season from the boy,
Yeah.
from development. That's cool moment we are experienced here. We're not talking about the player who's 27, 28. Based on his age, Lumfano, I'm so impressed. A leader. He's got the character, the talent.
The heart.
Yes, also Melon Coleman will be underrated. The right wing back has done well. Aksu is with Tutile Nabu. I want among defender, modern defenders, so called modern. Abanye bakute polwini. Yabo lo kwazi ukudila nge1v1, he can read the situation, kwazi ukuphi distance, very comfortable on the ball, decision making. And also I have to be honest, obvious. Mele ngibe effect nomthetshela one of the best talents ever after isikhathi eside angisisho ngedevelopment yakhe lo mfana ngoba sifuna obvious ama high game ngikhuluma ngo national remember siya World Cup AFCON ingam expose umfana because i-development kula idlala indima enkulu especially higher games. But I'm very impressed to the boy. Now it's just in the place ku national team. And also a police because kunama player for certain teams in Nhlanhla. It's proven. I've seen that. A police, though I don't believe he's a wing, is number 10. He has done well for Orlando Pirates. Mreme certain games, true. Ngisafuna ukubona more kumreme, angifuni ulandele high, but
he's been coming through when it's like most crucial.
Yeah.
Scoring crucial goals when we need them, well, when they need them the most.
Yeah, one bengifuna ukubona ngegame Pirates against players afana neNai. Sundowns, I mean to say, he never showed up for me there. And also bengifuna ukumbona, if not mistaken, yes, ku Champions League. yabo bengifuna ukumbona nakhona. I think not much of him ube nama moment ku Champions League. But there are games njengale game bawinele also emthineti bawinele ku league. There are games that you saw now bawinele ukuthi baye ku final.
Yeah. Michael, I'm a player more bigger so far in Pirates. Which are those players?
Mina nhlanhla into engakusho nge-Pirates man, whoever who signing ama-player wasayinile this season man, I mean simshayela izandla beka spot on, because if ungachecka all these new signings bonke bafikile baphakamisa izandla. Akunamuntu ofike lapha warelaxa. Checka Bunduli bafike baphakamisa izandla badlala. uMasindi naye ufikile naye azange acale isizini mayicala azange adlale, but whenever bamupha opportunity wole waphakamisa izandla. Into ebe important ngalama player ukuthi aphakamisa izandla, but umuntu engimbonile so far ukuthi man hey ngathi ukwate kakhulu aswina police, ukwate kakhulu police, whether left or right or central, like awukwate kakhulu. I think iPirates lapha bayenze a good signing lapha kuya mjita.
So uyena kuphela like
No, for me,
that's standing out. Uyababona bonke mara.
yeah, for me, no, yeah, he's the one that is standing out, because so far man into zenza whether uqala ne game whether uza as a sub, but wenza umehluko.
All right. Okay, let's get into the Carling Black semi-final number 1, which is Orlando Pirates against the Rich Boys. They say 2 heads are better than 1. But the co-coaches of Richards Bay could not put their heads together and actually make sure that a win is there. One coach came out as a winner. And let's talk about the starting lineup. There was a surprise there. Usipho Mbule started on the day. But as usual, Usipho akakhona ukuqeda igame. Why do you think that is? Like, he has not played 90 minutes ever since he was signed to Pirates.
Yeah, Nhlanhla. Ile nto bengisho mfethu Usipho Mbule ku Pirates last time mangithi mina bamdlalisa regularly. Usipho Mbule mfethu, one of the best talent. Yeah. Sort of about Dr. Kumalo. We're talking about the match winner. He is loved by any fan. Whether of it is Pirates, Sundowns, any team, you love Usipho Mbule. Unika any dimension, creativity, very comfortable on the ball. He controls the game. Very confident player. Decision making is something else. But ungadlali regularly. Yabo.
But why? Why do you think he's not playing regularly?
I think kuzomele sibuyele back ku contract yakhe CK. Why?
Okay.
Because sometimes it's done well. Uqale kahle Usipho. And then when njengama ku national team, you did very well in Nigeria. We talk about the high intensity game against high profile players. And then come to Orlando Pirates next game, hlala ngaphandle 90 minutes. You question what is that performance, akusi performance. But dila nge mindset. Remember reputation ka CP buya nayo.
Okay.
Yabo, Pirates is a big ngayibiza ukuthi it's a big company. Yabo, institution akusi team here. So they don't allow anybody uzofika zenzela umathanda. So Usipho abamdlalisi because of mhlambe inkinga ya off the field, not ukuthi ubehave kamanje. They still want to see Usipho. Ngoba iPirates obviously mhlambe they plan yabo. Remember contract ka Sipho ku Pirates, I don't think they favor him. So ukuthi angadlali like a performance njengale game le imgwinyile le because bedlala nge-intensity high abafana bebazimisele laba be-Richards Bay. Is it because Usipho akadlali ku Pirates? It's not all about performance kuye. Kuna this thing mhlambe instruction from technique ngikhuluma nge-management yokuthi Sipho must play kule game. We're dealing with psychology yakhe. We want to sifuna ukubona, remember it's a give and take. So Usipho naye I think badila naye ne-mindset match fitness Nhlanhla. The match fitness, I don't think it's got the full match fitness ukuthi adlale in 90 minutes. So regularly and khona la ibuya khona.
All right. Now let's talk about the game itself. It was a game of 2 halves, and I think it was finalized very early. Professional score 1-0 was the final score. But is that the true reflection of the game? Roy.
Njengoba usho Nhlanhla muthi it was a game of 2 half, yona vele ibe kanjalo, but egcineni uwina ngokuthi uyawathatha ama chances wakho or kanjani. But yona vele ne-Richards Bay ibe ne-chance, because first half it was Orlando Pirates, second half naye bekumele naye ibe ne-chance, understand. So but it shows ukuthi Pirates is stronger kanjani, whether they play bad but bakwazile ukuthi ba-maintain bakwazi ukuba ku-final.
And it's good, like just 1 goal. Sometimes that's all you need, and that's all they did. and then bavele bangena ku-final ngayo. But the first half itself, Pirates was applying more pressure, but the goals were just not coming in. Why? Like, was the defense too strong for Pirates? Let's talk about the Richards Bay defense, and why were they stopping Pirates from scoring the goals that they should have scored in the first half?
Yeah, Nhlanhla, Richards Bay came there to badlala low block first half. I think he came a cup final, a cup. Very tactical game ngikhuluma first half both teams. Okay, you know very Orlando Pirates, the quality is it will be different between equality, it was a different between Richards Bay and Orlando Pirates. Ngikhuluma first half. Richards Bay they play low block relying on front three. Yabo. And I think they were let down by I think midfielders wabo bebadlala too deep. Protective back four, yabo, because wing backs wabo bebangahambi first half. And these two players abadlala la middle, which is the mfana uZulu, nalo mfana uMthembu, did very well in terms of man marking. Khuluma ngale Umbule nomthetshela. They did very well low block. And these wing back, coach bacelile Mthiyane, I think bebadlalisa na this guy Nexon Mtizwa coming maybe on the left hand side. Mtizwa was becoming a wing back on the left hand side. Now everybody Bashir and then Umango him alone. Very bebaham. So well assembled team Orlando Pirates in all angles, but baleki creativity na Orlando Pirates. Richards Bay ba alawile ba rotate ball, but they never went behind. Obviously ba attack side la left, which is Mremi.
Yeah.
Mremi ulomfana ndaba yalazi ball. Another player it's more of they've discovered lately player now after Woto decision making was dealing nabo 1v1 timing ayinabody engathi deck. I think kubanike any dimension kune understanding between him and Mremi bebafuna ukudlala ngomremi and then Richards Bay I think after 5 minutes ibonile leyo nto that it was very difficult for Orlando Pirates first half, but they got the goal. One pass from a police ukutshela ngequality njengoba Michael asho. I think technical is very good. Ushanga any vision iyo ngithi number 10 and lomfana technical also Mremi ba right bamdlalisa according to speed sakhe like beyond the defense.
And your Richards Bay observation of the game?
The Pirates now what cost njengoba basho ukuthi badlalela igame of a low block, but I don't believe or do when we play against the teams azodlala low block. I don't believe good like kudlalise Umbule is not more as a 10, because I see most of the coaches even as a squad team bamdlalisa more as a 10, but for me it's not a 10 Umbule. We play many dlala as a 8 le because ucomfortable ebholweni umuntu kumele aqale ayenze team ukuthi ijele, understand in terms of confidence. And then when we play against a low block team, when we play a 10, we need somebody who's run up behind our spaces, because Umbule is somebody who can badlala phambi kweye kulontuza Richards Bay. That's why there was less of creating of my chances, you understand. So they need a player like Ilzoba Mobile in terms of what also not the striker running la spaces with bakhona ukuthi any defense, because without ukuthi any defense you can't create chances.
You can't.
You'll pass the whole day. Into abayifunayo na as a team ukuthi okay, because these teams namabeza nge low block into abayifunayo ukuthi njengoba siya deep sifuna badlale lapha kwethu, asifuni ukuthi basiyane because they know ukuthi uMremi une speed. Once ababambe nena uwenzakalile one pass wababambe, understand. So iPirates is dangerous ngaloko nje siyakwazi ukudlala la, iyakwazi ukudlala na behind, but njengoba ngisho ukuthi futhi njengoba bathole negoli liwani manje kusekhapini lana and manje kuyaliwa whether ileague or ini ukuthi uwine ngakhi manje kumele uthathe ufake isicomment because manje it's 1-0 mara baku final.
Yeah, final.
So football injani
Like boxing. It's not about the point. Yes.
Yeah, they like creativity ngisayiphinda nama. I think Pirates need to balance their attack, man. On the right hand side, they must stop relying on wing back. Ngiyazi ukuthi Police is a place of half winger.
Yeah.
But rely kulibitso and mawuthola team enganisabi njenge Richards Bay second half. I think izochita ngabantu abayi3, both wingers, yabo, right wing, left and right, and babeke nomuntu odlala central. Maybe they can drop half. Obvious Pirates you can't just allow them. I think any downfall yabo na first half always ibhola mali yaka left ka right beliba negative. Mele kube ne back pass. I don't understand because of now Libitso can't beat somebody. Every time I receive bola bekinomuntu. And well done. That's why ngibengikhuluma noPapi so uzotshwana ngemnqomo ngetintwana. I think they might ingqondo yakhe ball ngiyabona kunama coach there but ingqondo yakho mfana yasipana yabo mina no ngiyazi ibhola lazi on and off yabo papi yalazi ibhola usazimbona Mtlex ulethe any dimension ku Richards ngikhuluma ngama player assemble naye akusho ukuthi uye assemble but unesandla ushilo nengibiza yakhe lo mfana ushilo lo uZulu ukuthi bekwi defender center back yena wamtshela ukuthi boy sibisembizeni look how the boy yabo content of man of the match but iPirates yobasho Michael bane powerhouse they don't rely on individual player baphethe enye team nhlanhla and ba build up ukuthi usondele bafuna le space up behind you and they can keep ibhola ukuthi bakusakhe and then punish you alright Michael very static from uSiphumbule no Namtetshela but the coach now must stop putting instruction too much man uNamtetshela uyamkhawatha man yeah uNamtetshela they want him udlala according ama instruction lo mfana uyambona kulama game ayi2 nale game leyidlala imali nale Sundowns it's not himself yabo miyeke and then unga add then yabona but at the end of the day Orlando Pirates ekhashazile yeah
yakhashaza yangena kuma final again
yeah
and the season ayikapheli and they're in the final again
yeah they are in the final again and they December no this team they are first kusho ukuthi team ezobhekana nayo now you only going to be concerned about them you're not going to be yourself yabo ayikho team ezodona yiyo yabona ngibone ne Sundowns mayidlala nawo they so cautious and I'm not too sure amanye ama team even now Pirates be cautious against some Pirates umuntu ozodlala nayo anyway it's like a home game for home ground for one advantage because it's full njengoba Mike
yeah I'm a sold out affair
yeah
I'm a sold out affair and then going into the final Pirates is going to be playing against Marumo Gallants and then njengoba Marumo Gallants iwinile like what do you make of that game because that game was decided on penalties
between Marumo ne
Golden Arrows
yeah into engayisho between those two games on Atlanta nenye into important mele social izandla lama team ejuna mele for coach Manqoba nale coach eMarumo I think lama team this season amanye ama team na like improve the most improved teams ku PSL if ungachecka ngendlela abadlala ngayo so mina sibanike credit vele for mina nami bengizothanda ukuthi iArrows yodlala futhi ifinal nePirates because kule game engibukelile le bayinikezile iPirates azange bayisabe ngaleyo ndlela understand with unknown players but ngendlela abadlale ngayo bangimpressile so ngifuna ukuthi maniphinde bengiyahalela le game ukuthi iphinde but futhi nale still isazoba mnandi angisho ikhumbula iMarumo bayenzeni maqala isizini so I think ukuthi nayi Pirates
payback time
ayisi isikhathi sabe sihle ukuthi bobhatala revenge manje nhlanhla but I think it's going to be a good final now because lama team wethu adlala a good football
very enterprising football that they play
yeah lo mjita lo nhlanhla na 28 years ngikhuluma ngale coach eMarumo Gallants siyalazi philosophy yeah just that udlala nge-false nine yeah you need mele bam advise that's why mele uthole assistant coach that will advise you ukuthi ma brothers thola umuntu dynamic o mobile lapha umuntu ozokwazi ukuhlala ngathi these two center backs if you allow Pirates to build up there you're going to have a big problem because they can pass umbokazi now Siema ngoba allow yeah so but bona ngiyambona udlala ngondlondo la yabo undlondlo obvious banike any dimension e football intelligent uyababambela lona yabo you can decide properly ufuna umuntu ozodecide but who's running behind the defense but in terms of keeping the ball uyalazi ball now ama player wasign lubhekela abantu abayi3 badlala emidlini but ngicela ukukhuluma ngale game ezolo nhlanhla Golden Arrows ne Richards bengibukela mfethu no yabo ni Golden Arrows unfortunate made sikhuluma iVAR well assembled team and no sometimes it's not all about how you spend money in Finland it's about talent identification bese uhlanganisa combination bese lasifuna ukubona coaching yakho maqedwe amancoba ibhola yalazi mfethu yeah mhlambe eza obvious ku Sundowns the way involvement mina mele ngisho into nama was once ngizibuza ngoba lo muntu coach ile kaRose I played against team yakhe previous assemble abo Y2K ukhuluma abo Mshingu abo Shange understand abo Papizo Thwane Nhlanhla Zothwane esipho sihlongo bese manje why and look at the philosophy vaccine namhlanje ngishikhuluma ngeGolden Arrows before and then going to Sundowns obviously is line a lot bawungabheka iModern uyikwazile uhlanganisa ne mfethu lama player ukwabukela le technically and tactically no
Yeah.
arose exciting well done to also Richards Bay being a quick game
Elula, yeah.
yeah, it was a wonderful game for it to watch and yeah it deserve and ukhumbula Richards Bay beat Sundowns yeah akuzifike la it beat Sundowns and one of the biggest team in the continent by lead is where Richards Bay on penalties.
Yeah.
Maroon, I mean to say,
Marumo Gallants.
Marumo Gallants, Richards Bay has draw, I mean to say with Sundowns, not beaten. He has drawn, league. He has drawn against Sundowns. And not the easy game, I mean to say, not Marumo, Richards Bay has drawn against Sundowns and it was not the easy game in Tlantla. And among up pound to pound, Sundowns.
They were in the Sundowns. Now let's talk about the two teams going head to head with each other in the final. Yekhalin Black Label, the players that we need to be wary of. Indaba like usho ukuthi iPirates ne, iPirates singacabanga ukuthi kuzoba no, and then like icoach vele ishintshe yonke into. And then sithole surprise kungabi like nalama player besicabanga ukuthi azoba khona, because that's how he is. Shuthi like the depth that he has, the players that he has, the quality that he has. What do you think the consistency is? Mayifika ku Pirates. Ngoba like it doesn't matter who's there. Whoever that is there, uyathumeka.
into engingayisho nanhlanhla ngale outlet owadu coach umceceshi ne ndawuthi le man nhlanhla isibonisa into different man, like surprise everybody because lento ayenza manje akusukuthi like uyaqala if uyakhumbula nanoma season icala lose ama games uyenzile lento ayenzile aqale ngalaba abuye next game adlale ngabanye abantu, you understand, but manje lento okay sometimes iya surprise but for yena manje uyayimaster yamsebenzela, you understand, because manje uyahamba udlala ne Arrows ufike wabe kumbukazi like awusazi ukuthi ubani azomletha, but I think into azama kuyiletha eklabini into engiyibonile ngaye is trying ukuthi le group asebenza nayo is trying to bring confident ku everybody ukuthi I believe kini nonke la because that's what some as like high kwamanye ama teams, because you find the coach ukuthi izodlala mhlambe nga 15 players and mhlambe ku 20 games. Yeah, you understand lento le. But if ungacheck what so far man, ama player wakhe man uyawatrust man. But I think it's part of it now wanike confident ukuthi angathi njengamanje baluzi usihle. Angeke sisacomplain ukuthi makuphuma usihle kuzongena abantu. Siyazi ukhona umbatha, ukhona uDancing. I think ngalento ayenzile so far le rotation yakhe so far yamsebenzela, so angeke change into emsebenzelayo njalo.
But Junior, is there a need for a team ukuthi ibe ne specific 11 yabo, or what is doing is what's working for him? But kuyanideka yini ukuthi ube like ne tenjwa zakho ezi11 owazi ukuthi okay, this is my starting 11?
Yes, you need it. If you want to win cup league, league it's a marathon.
Yeah.
Axi Cup ukuthi uzodlala 3 games and then you go to the final. Yamspanela uwadumai, but once you can be beaten ukukhuluma nangale final, it's going to bring a lot of questions.
Yeah. Okay.
Manje yaspana shaya izandla because mawungacheck second half le Richards Bay. Orlando Pirates, I don't think they can mababheka le second half. Ngikhuluma ne management, also the coach, the technical team yabo. I don't think they are happy. Because the Marumo Gallants, they are unlucky. Not good to create a chance, but the second half it's a game of two halves. So ile into kuswipe ukushintsha ama player like yes urotate ku right inhlanhla, but you look at timing. Timing is very very important. Njengamanje ukwayiba. So evident was bekabanike any dimension.
Yeah.
Yabo when then uzobona ukwayiba ngene as a sub now. I don't mind ucale ngombutuma uma khopha aqale ngaphandle umbutuma just got 2 goals now. Uyenzile nase Africa wafaka usibisi. And then waba kumayema ngaphandle was beaten 3-0.
Yeah.
That's why ngithi you are lucky ushaya izandla. Into so when you risk sometimes risky ikayithu
Pays off.
Yes, you get away with it shaya izandla sithi no coach unzima. But once you can be beaten and then kuzoba raise ama questions, because what do you akusinkinga ukuthi a rotate team, but to compete on Sundowns. Sundowns are on top of the
league.
Yabo.
Yeah.
And yes, kuma Cubs mhlawumbe una this thing with Sundowns, i-Chiefs iphumile, i-Sundowns iphumile. Yabo, let me speak about Sundowns direct because he team mhlawumbe ngathi compete nayo, because pound to pound banama players are similar like Pirates. Mara yena una this thing with abanye abantu angibacwaye. Yabo ngoba Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho it doesn't make sense to me.
What makes you say that?
Yeah, I mean yonke team edlala neOrlando Pirates they play low block this season. That's why ubona i-crowd is in numbers. They play entertaining football, very effective attacking minded team. This year they play attacking football but with the purpose. Bayakwazi keep the ball. That's why ngizebeze nenye dimension. So they dominate each and every game they are playing. You like it or not. So yeah, but njengoba ngisho what is getting away ngibona yacala ngoFanrena bekulibizwa ngaphandle. That didn't make sense to me. Ikaningi man. Once bambamba guy one is already
But how easy will it be ukuthi bambambe? Because angithi manje like mhlambe bazi nje ukuthi okay mhlambe uzospanisa lo or aspanise le play. Like cause like you're saying like it's just anyekwazi nje ukuthi what's coming with him. And yes you're right ukuthi mabangambhaca or makangaluza because like you're saying he's taking a risk all the time and then maga riska i-risk sonke siyazi sometimes uyapopa sometimes uyaluza but so far it's working for him.
Yeah, that's why ngimshayela izandla ngithi ngimshayela izandla namhlanje yabo. But ngifuna ukubona ngisazoyi usizini marathon yabo. Yazi cup nhlanhla. There are teams nje Magesi won the cup
The Carling Cup, yeah.
Last season Magesi. Baku number 1 manje. Number 1 ugcineni.
Bottom half.
Okay.
Bottom half, yeah.
So as a cup lingenye indlela yabona a cup can fool you. Yeah, it's a cup can.
No, you're right. Because
The cup can.
Jose Mourinho used to say, Guti, he will never sign a player that was outstanding in a tournament, but he will sign a player that was outstanding in the league throughout. Because that's where you get to see the depth of the player, the passion of the player, the discipline of the player, and how far a player can actually go. But a tournament, it's tripenyana. Like you can perform, then not to perform, you become outstanding, you impress certain coaches, they will take you on. This way yahluleka ku league.
Naku Champions League ipheyile njengoba ngisho bambambile 3. He came and scored 3 goals but if he didn't concede.
Yes.
Mdlalisi uSiyema Nombokazi you've got nothing to lose coach. And then coming home mhlambe you can bring Swiss less pressure here.
Yeah.
Intensity ayikho that le team idlala lo block angithi vele beze laba bazi ukuthi ungayenza ke lo coach yeah.
Yeah. So what can we expect? Okay. Say maybe we're going into the final and we've spoken about the players, we've spoken about the magic, we've spoken about the kind of predictions that we're likely to expect. Let's talk about the players that have impressed you in the Carling Cup so far. If you were to give a goalkeeper, striker, and best overall performer so far in the Carling Black Label Cup. Let's talk about the best performing player so far. Player of the tournament. Ungayipha bani uKarling Black Label?
Mina ngizonika Police. Ngizonika uMasakent. Mina for mina lo yamjida manhlanhla man azi man man different man. Yazi makafika man bengithi man nami kuzoba nzima but man confident yakhe man ngendlela adlala ngayo man nhlanhla man. Ngiyabona lo muntu usuka from umuntu wakupha se Cape Town bekadlala ePolokwane from Polokwane ufike eJoburg uyayibona change yonke into lifestyle everything but ufike wayibamba Nhlekisa amele ngimshayela izandla ufike wayibamba lo yamjida.
All right. No player of the tournament.
A bit difficult but definitely sure obvious nami umfana but nalo mfana umrimi emele umgayisakhe.
Isiphi igama eliwani?
Yeah ngizomnika Ashwin nami uApolis.
Okay.
Yeah, Ashwin imncedile ne development ku SuperSport. It is a player development ngihlale ngisho mfana around the world they are the one who dominating lama individual awards. Players who are so proper developed technically without ukusebenzisa physical timing yeah we understand yeah lo mfana lo yana nami ngisurprise mina ngi-admit Orlando Pirates I thought kunama player nhlanhla we saw the name can comes names the players that they signed from other teams makafika lapha number 1 mabamnika ijezi number psychologically yamlimaza. Second, the contract mabamtshela ukuthi kusana 3 years. 1 first season you must play 10 games and then you have to score about 6 goals. Psychologically yamlimaza lapha bengekho yonke leyo buyako each and every game azoyidlala ifana ne home game yakho kunama expectation if akayenzi i-team njenge-Pirates or Chiefs or Sundowns iya ku-market, they can sign every after 6 months. Psychologically yamlimaza. Enye into yokugcina, you like it or not, Nhlanhla, kulama team amakhulu abakunika isikhathi. They hardly give time. Michael can testify that. They while bayibona ukuthi no lengeke isebenzile khona bamthumayo 2-3 nyana mapha babheka mhlambe ku other teams to bring somebody who can replace you ngama second. So lamfana psychological cela kumshayela izandla yabo, ubuya kwenye background enye into ithatha, it's like a sort of a second chance to him. Lamfana SuperSport I'm promoting. He went to Polokwane wayicala become a star player. Ubhekele environment ePolokwane. You talk about Polokwane, whereby there was no hype, but I was pushing. He ended the place not at Orlando Pirates. He ended the place in national team. Go Polokwane. Mshayela izandla nalo. Thatha that spotlight. Another stuff. Polokwane is a survivor nesandla. They didn't have high profile players. He has done well for himself and also helping the team. So a play of the tournament nam Michael mfethu. Nami mabrada ngima nawe.
Hayi nzima leya uma.
Yeah, ngima nawe and I Michael ngima naye.
Okay.
Kule play of the tournament, yes.
And then player of the tournament sizoyipha.
Uzobutha lo muntu lona ukwatile.
Usamile lapha awu chief.
Lo muntu mhlawumbe ukwatile lo. Angazi ubani lo. Angazi uba
sa chief akuna next nje.
akaqalanga ngalendlela aqale ngayo. Ungacheck isizini mayicala azange aqale sonhlanhla mara but manje musolo kucheck ama games walomjita yo. Kunama games angena zamasap, kunama games uyabona like akunakuthi makakhona nje wenza different. Into ezene nje kuzoyenza umehluko.
Play of the tournament mina Nhlanhla ngamnika umremi mfethu.
Okay.
Yeah, ngisafuna ukubona into eningi ngomremi. Mina ngifuna iplayer performa na kuma big games and when he plays against proper players. I'm talking about proper players are competing nabo ku national team. Yeah, we don't judge players ngalama game lawo. Ngiyazi ibhethu Premiership is so strong. There's too much money by investile kule league. Sure. Teams they basebenza kanzima behind the scene. So umremi na play of the players of the tournament. I can give that because njengamanje bafaka kufana. When you look at the guy, the goals that they score, sesikhuluma nje ukuza so. Yabo Polokwane City first game ya badlala ngikhuluma nakubo. I know ukuthi mhlambe mina sengibheke nje nale way form yalomfana. Kule cup asike labo I mean Polokwane City, yes, it was MTN8 ngisho nje ukuza kanje mfethu this guy kule cup ngicela ucheck the goals that they scored, ucheck influence, we talk about noma ngaba kakuri, the impact that is brought. It's not all about scoring the goal ukuthi ube play of the tournament. So I don't funny players of the tournament players I can nayingamnika mfethu.
Okay. All right, and then goalkeeper of the tournament.
So far mina ngakamboni goalkeeper ngathi ngizobheka uStan.
Mina ngicela ukusho Michael. Washington Arumi. Keep it Sundowns. Yes. Keep it Sundowns on penalties. Bumkwena. Alendo
Arrows.
Keep it Arrows.
Yeah.
Phele wazima against Arrows stadium ngibukele.
Yes.
Mnandi. Improve ile lamjita ngambona shama giveaway amaningi. It was a good goalkeeper experience but bengizivuza why. Ezinye ngathi amaboma. But izifika team la. I goalkeeper of the tournament mina ngamkhaya. Yeah. Because China naye ngama cross man questionable. Crosses China.
Ngihlisile naye kancane man. Uchayini manesh.
And then coach of the season, coach of the tournament.
Coach of the tournament obvious yeah.
Ulozo
Uzowinile.
Ulozo.
Azothatha bene.
Mara wena bongayipha bani? Because there's 2 coaches left. Wena bozoyipha bani?
Mina bengizoyinika le coach eMarumo.
Ngoba?
Like njoba ngisho uyiphekile Nhlanhla manje ya club le yazi. Singamane nje sisho because yazi mangibukele eMarumo ngibukele eMarumo neGolden Arrows.
Yeah.
Even man uyabona man different abayenza in terms of ngendlela abadlala ngayo even uma babukele nje. You can see man ukuthi ba improve kakhulu. It's not like
uthi usasemncane. Ne-age yakhe like also plays a role.
Uyabona sazoshaya abantu abangaba ne
Sazobalimaza.
Mara ngigcina vayile la. Azomthatha ama big 3 uzobona. Azomthatha.
Coach of the tournament wena ungayipha bani?
All right Michael. Sesencane ndiyathi there's room for improvement. First coaching career ku Betway Premiership. First season, I mean to say, a career coach ku Betway Premiership, 28 years old. The philosophy, mina ngithanda the philosophy, taking out the best out of players. Akusomuntu amalow block leya. Pound to pound measure. Assemble he's assembled a well team. And I'm mfethu, I mean nami ngamgayibi ilo. Cause what yes ngamnika mari ilento ngisho ku difficult to point to aphethe quality. Hayi now ngayicoach iPirates phela mama sesikhuluma ifara kuyihlangana. But what una I can't lie. Ngiyamshayela izandla mfethu. But leyawuthile emaroom le. Hayi leyawuthile yana Nhlanhla. Mastermind leyana. Leyaw right Michael angeke last lapha. I think between Pirates and Sundowns they don't waste this card.
Bangasuke bamthathe.
Where crepes ale.
All right, and then let's talk about who is likely to win the Carling Cup.
Hey, mina yabona Nhlanhla ngitshele iPirates yashama. Pirates yashaya Nhlanhla. Ngibona labantu ba strong kule season le. If ungacheka compared to last season, into engiyenza ukuthi banga compete. Bashawe le nto depth. Yabona this season. Banayo le nto lebe bashota ngayo. That's why ngisho ukuthi mina ba strong na kulama cup la ubheke bangadlala ngama final Nhlanhla. They were strong Nhlanhla.
So
I think no owadu naye ngalento yakhe rotation policy. I think he wants to keep everybody fresh. And I think now ufuna ukuwina league. I think nalokuthi baphume ku Champions League for mina. It was a blessing in disguise. Mele ba stop le dominance Mamelodi Sundowns iqala. La ekhaya before bangaze bayo.
Yeah.
Ama Champions League angeke Sundowns iwine league ay8 Nhlanhla.
hey,
In a row.
yeah.
8 times. Nhlanhla. Yinto
It's come to an end.
kumele bacala bayistop nabo bayiwine 3 times bese bolanda esinye istar ke lapha ngapha. Now kumele bayishayine in a row phela. iPirates nalo yili cup eksamele iwine kakhulu leli phela. Yeah. So I think kule season level they on the right track ukuthi bangaba strong. Ba strong. And then coach asimkayini chance ngalento ayenza le rotation policy yakhe. Hayi yamnceda. And everybody uzoba fresh. Phela season iseseyinde kuseza elinye cup futhi. Laphela leli manje kuzocala elinye futhi cup.
And then Isco.
Isco 2-1 in favor of Orlando Pirates.
All right.
Yeah, iPirates right Michael bazodlala ama finals yabo. The obvious there will be mindset change. Ngikhuluma ngale cup leli lizodlala iNedbank. It's not going to be easy. Remember everybody is going to participate. We're not talking about top 8 teams. Ifana na iCarling League. Everybody will be there.
Yes.
So it's not going to be easy to and yes, based on the squad, must checker. Uyayibona ukuthi they might play mina ngeke ngithi let me think ile ngendlela yami they might play final in Nedbank but they will be Sundowns, will be Chiefs, they will be Stellenbosch, which is abekho Crane nabo ione Arrows will be there because bengitshela khona inyawuthama makhasi coach Arrows ngithi nje nisiye noma ningawin next year khona into enizowina ngisho Golden Arrows
Aba strong.
yeah ba strong kakhulu well asem
Ema room hayi.
nale marumo kalanza
Yeah.
so enye into Nhlanhla mina ukuphendula walo ngale rotation yakhe njengoba ngishiya Spana iSpan but bazombamba kule final le I suspect izwe ama penalty
Oh, okay.
I suspect ilo vele pound to pound mara lengwenya le akusumuntu odlala bo low block and stuff lengwenya le is got players ebathembayo mastermind ufana yalazi ibhola leyo so it's just that the quality ePirates but I mean ngibone ama penalty and I give it to Richards Bay. A big surprise with Marumo.
Marumo Gallants.
I mean, so Richards Bay and Marumo Simi.
Hey, nufuni buyi Richards Bay. Hambili.
They also play badlali kahle. Sorry man. My
Marumo Gallants.
Marumo Gallants, I give them. Ngicela uyibhale phansi.
And then Isco.
Penalties.
So they'll go to penalties.
3-1.
Marumo Gallants.
Ngicela uyibhale phansi mina ngithi ubheke date nesikhathi. Wena iwedi njani?
Yeah.
It's going to happen.
So Marumo Gallants is going to be the winners.
Khona abantu junior league lazo I know many millions of people hey le idakiwe Pirates ngoba umhlolo ilanga lizobe kuzobe namalanga i21 la
Amalanga.
Africa number 1 imvuli yona ngiyadlala mara Marumo Gallants will win penalties yes
So Marumo Gallants is definitely going to
uyibhale phansi inhliziyo
Hi, okay, sharp ke. All right. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the content that we shared with you today. We'll definitely be back soon with another profile, review of the game, preview of the game, or with a guest, or with something. You never know. But keep on watching Junior Kanye TV. Thank you so much for giving us your time. We should be back very, very soon. I am Nhlanhla Sitshele. On my left, it's Junior Kanye and Michael Nkambule on the right. Catch you on the next one. Danko.